Welcome back to our channel Pocket Change Coins. Today, we're diving into the fascinating story of the 1979 Washington quarter dollar with its mint mark. This iconic coin from American history holds secrets that could make it a collector's dream, and its value might just blow your mind. The Washington quarter has been a staple of U.S. currency since 1932, designed to honor the nation's first president, George Washington. Its timeless design, featuring Washington's profile on the obverse and an eagle on the reverse, has made it one of the most recognizable coins in the world. But not every Washington quarter is created equal. Some coins, like the 1979 quarter with a specific mint mark, have become legends in the coin collecting community for their rarity, condition, and extraordinary value. The story of the 1979 Washington quarter begins with its mint marks. Coins minted that year came from three U.S. mints: Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. Each mint placed its mark on the coin, with the Philadelphia mint often leaving its quarters without a mark, while Denver used a D and San Francisco an S. The mint mark can be found on the obverse side of the coin, just below the date. Why does the mint mark matter so much? It's because the minting process isn't always perfect. Sometimes, rare errors or unique variations occur during production, creating coins that stand out from the millions of others produced. These errors are what collectors hunt for, as they elevate the coin's value far beyond its original 25-cent face value. One of the most intriguing aspects of the 1979 Washington quarter is the possibility of minting errors. Double dies, where parts of the design are duplicated, or off-center strikes, where the coin's design appears misaligned, are examples of these errors. Other anomalies include clipped planchets, die cracks, or even missing mint marks. These imperfections are rare, and they're precisely what collectors are willing to pay a premium for. But it's not just about errors. Condition plays a critical role in determining the value of a coin. Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70, with 70 representing a flawless, uncirculated coin that looks as if it was just minted. A 1979 Washington quarter with a high grade can command a significantly higher price than one that has been worn down by years of circulation. The sharper the details and the better the overall appearance, the more valuable the coin becomes. Another key factor is historical significance. The 1970s were a transformative time in American history, and coins from this era hold a special place in the hearts of collectors. A 1979 quarter with a mint mark and unique characteristics becomes not just a piece of currency but a piece of history, reflecting the craftsmanship and circumstances of its time. Now, let's talk about the big question: how much could a 1979 Washington quarter dollar be worth? While most quarters from that year are still worth just 25 cents, certain coins with rare errors, mint mark variations, or exceptional grades have sold for jaw-dropping amounts at auctions. And here's the moment you've been waiting for. Some of these extraordinary 1979 Washington quarters have been known to fetch as much as $55,000. Yes, $55,000 for a single coin that could easily slip through your hands without a second thought. Imagine the thrill of discovering such a treasure among your spare change or tucked away in an old coin collection. So, the next time you see a Washington quarter, take a closer look. Check the date, examine the mint mark, and inspect for any unusual features. That small coin could be worth far more than you ever imagined, and who knows, you could be holding a $55,000 masterpiece. Today, we're talking about one such hidden gem, the 1987 Washington quarter dollar with its mint mark. This coin, which you might easily overlook as an everyday quarter, has captivated collectors and enthusiasts alike for reasons you're about to discover. And believe me, by the end of this video, you'll be checking your spare change a lot more carefully. The Washington quarter has been a cornerstone of American currency since its introduction in 1932. It was originally designed to commemorate the bicentennial of George Washington's birth, and its iconic design has stood the test of time. The obverse features a striking portrait of Washington, while the reverse showcases the majestic eagle, a symbol of American strength and freedom. But among the millions of Washington quarters minted over the decades, some have risen above the rest to become legends in the numismatic world. The year 1987 is particularly intriguing for Washington quarter enthusiasts. That's because coins from this year hold special interest due to their unique variations and potential minting errors. These coins were produced at two major mints, Philadelphia and Denver, each marked by a P or D mint mark. This small detail, located on the obverse side just below the date, might seem insignificant at first glance. But for collectors, it can mean everything. What makes the 1987 Washington quarter dollar so fascinating isn't just its design or its history, it's the possibility of finding rare minting errors or unique characteristics that elevate its value to extraordinary levels. Imagine holding a quarter that's not just worth 25 cents, but thousands of dollars. This could happen if the coin has errors like double dies, off-center strikes, or even missing mint marks. These types of errors are rare, but when they occur, they transform ordinary coins into collector's items that spark bidding wars at auctions. Another crucial factor that determines a coin's value is its condition. Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70, with 70 representing a perfect, uncirculated coin that looks as if it just rolled off the minting press. A Washington quarter from 1987 in pristine condition can command a premium price, especially if it also features a rare error or anomaly. The sharper the details, the higher the grade, and the more collectors are willing to pay for it. But what's even more captivating about this coin is its connection to history. The 1980s were a dynamic decade in American culture and politics, and coins from this era carry a certain nostalgic charm. The 1987 Washington quarter dollar is more than just a piece of money, it's a time capsule that reflects the artistry and craftsmanship of its time. Now, let's get to the part you've been waiting for. Just how much could a 1987 Washington quarter dollar with a mint mark be worth? While the majority of these coins in circulation are still worth their face value, there are exceptions. Coins with rare errors, unique features, or exceptional grades can fetch astonishing prices at auctions, and here's the jaw-dropping figure you need to know: certain rare examples of the 1987 Washington quarter dollar have sold for as much as $57,000. Yes, you heard that right, $57,000 for a single quarter. Imagine finding one of these treasures tucked away in a jar of spare change or hidden in an old coin collection. It's like striking gold without even leaving your house. So, the next time you come across a Washington quarter, take a closer look. Check the date, inspect the mint mark, and pay attention to any unusual details. That simple coin in your hand could be worth far more than you ever imagined. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the 1986 Washington quarter dollar with its mint mark. This coin might seem like an ordinary piece of pocket change, but it could be a hidden treasure waiting to be discovered. The Washington quarter dollar has been an integral part of American history since its debut in 1932. Originally created to honor the bicentennial of George Washington's birth, its design is as iconic as the man himself. The obverse side features a dignified portrait of Washington, while the reverse showcases a powerful eagle with outstretched wings, a timeless representation of freedom and strength. This design, beloved for generations, makes the Washington quarter not only a tool of commerce but also a symbol of American heritage. In 1986, these quarters were minted in Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. The small mint mark, located on the obverse side just below the ribbon in Washington's hair, indicates where the coin was produced. While this may seem like a minor detail, it's actually a crucial clue for collectors. Coins from different mints can have distinct characteristics, and even tiny differences can result in significant value. But why is the 1986 Washington quarter dollar so special? It's not just about the year, it's about the possibility of rare minting errors and exceptional conditions that make some coins stand out. Minting errors like double dies, off-center strikes, or missing mint marks can transform a seemingly ordinary coin into a sought-after rarity. Imagine a coin with a subtle flaw that turns it into a collector's dream. These unique imperfections are what make some 1986 quarters incredibly valuable. Condition is another key factor. Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70, with 70 being a perfect, uncirculated specimen. For a 1986 Washington quarter dollar, a high-grade coin with sharp details and a brilliant luster can significantly boost its value. Even the tiniest scratch or sign of wear can affect a coin's grade, which is why collectors pay a premium for flawless examples. Now, let's talk about the allure of the 1980s. This was a decade of bold fashion, iconic music, and significant cultural shifts in America. Coins from this era carry a certain nostalgic charm, reminding us of a time when the world seemed to move at a different pace. The 1986 Washington quarter dollar is more than just a piece of currency, it's a snapshot of history, a tangible connection to the past. But here's where it gets really exciting. While most 1986 Washington quarters in circulation are worth their face value, there are exceptions that will make you look twice at your spare change. Rare errors, unique characteristics, and high grades can elevate the value of a single coin to astonishing heights. So, how much could a 1986 Washington quarter dollar with a mint mark be worth? Are you ready for this? Some rare examples of this coin have sold for an eye-popping $53,000. Yes, you heard that right, $53,000 for a quarter. Imagine discovering one of these treasures in your coin jar or tucked away in an old collection. It's the kind of find that changes everything. Next time you come across a Washington quarter, take a closer look. Check the date, inspect the mint mark, and examine the details. That simple coin in your hand could be a life-changing discovery. Today, we're diving into the world of coin collecting and uncovering the hidden treasure that is the 1996 Washington quarter dollar with a mint mark. You'll be amazed at just how much this seemingly ordinary coin could be worth. Let's take a step back for a moment and talk about the Washington quarter itself. First introduced in 1932 to commemorate George Washington's 200th birthday, this coin has a rich history. The design features a profile of Washington, America's first president, on the obverse. On the reverse, you'll find a majestic eagle with outstretched wings, symbolizing strength and freedom. This coin has been in circulation for decades and continues to be a powerful representation of American ideals. Now, when it comes to the 1996 Washington quarter, there's something special about that particular year. The mint marks, found just below Washington's portrait on the obverse side, tell us where each coin was struck. In 1996, these coins were minted in 3 locations: Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. The mint mark is a small detail, but it's one that collectors pay close attention to. Depending on where the coin was made, its value could vary significantly. One of the things that makes the 1996 Washington quarter dollar stand out in the world of coin collecting is its potential for rare minting errors. Over the years, there have been instances where coins were struck incorrectly, leading to unique characteristics that are highly prized by collectors. This could be anything from a double die to a misaligned strike or even an off-center design. Any such error can drastically increase the value of a coin, turning a standard quarter into a collector's dream. Another factor that plays a huge role in determining the value of a coin is its condition. Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70, with 70 being a perfect, uncirculated specimen. A 1996 Washington quarter in flawless condition, with no signs of wear, scratches, or discoloration, is highly sought after. The luster, detail, and sharpness of the design are all important indicators of a coin's grade. The better the condition, the higher the value, but there's more to it than just minting errors and condition. The 1990s were a time of major change in the United States: technological advancements, pop culture milestones, and shifts in the global economy. Coins from this period carry a certain nostalgic value, evoking memories of a time that shaped the world we live in today. The 1996 Washington quarter is not only a piece of currency, but it's also a reminder of a moment in American history. So, what makes the 1996 Washington quarter dollar so valuable? While most quarters from this year are worth their face value, there are exceptions. If you happen to come across one with a rare minting error, or one that is in pristine, uncirculated condition, its value could skyrocket. The key is knowing what to look for. Now, Are you ready for the big reveal? Hold on tight because the value of a rare 1996 Washington quarter dollar could be absolutely jaw-dropping. Some of these coins have been sold for an astonishing $60,000. Yes, that's right, $60,000 for a single quarter. Imagine stumbling upon one of these rare coins in your change jar or old collection. It's the kind of find that could change your life. Next time you're sorting through your coins, take a closer look at your 1996 Washington quarter. Inspect the mint mark, check the condition, and see if there are any unusual features. With a little bit of luck and some sharp eyes, you might just find a treasure that's worth far more than its face value. If you found this video interesting and want to learn more about rare coins and their potential value, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future coin adventures. Drop your thoughts, questions, and any cool coin discoveries in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and happy coin hunting. Remember, that 1996 Washington quarter dollar in your pocket could be worth an incredible $60,000.